Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Scrappin' Fam. We're back at it today. As you can see, starting to grab some metal as we find it, because prices are going up. So figured if it's heavy, if it's small enough, we'll grab it and hold on to it. This one's packed to the brim. Packed to the brim. And I can't see nothing in it, so. Someone got themselves some chipotle. I love myself some chipotle. Alright. Oh man, can't be having that. Set is probably gonna fall out anyways. Alright. Dude, they got a shipment of stuff in, I'll tell you what. They're packed. It would appear as though everything is just boxes and empty. So, probably not going to jump into all this. I am going to take a quick look-see in some of these. Yeah, I think most of it's gone. All good. Are those ones empty? Okay. Two vacuums?
Yes.
That's a good deal, huh? Alright. Alright. Yeah, we'll take two vacuums, huh?
Yeah.
Alright, there's that one. Sure that one didn't have one on it?
You can see a little bit of wire. See, it's snip.
Oh yeah, yeah.
It just, people...
Yeah. This one's been out here a while.
How do you know?
Because it's sniffed. Alright, let's keep rolling. Yeah.
If we had a truck, we could take this.
Yeah, do you want to... See if he's got room in there for it. I'm just gonna... see if I can learn my lesson on these ones. There's another cord on the back of that thing. Yeah, you missed that one. That's a big one too.
Oh, yeah, truck. We could have got these two things.
I know. There it is, snippet. Right there.
Not until we get a truck.
Yeah, they definitely, they took the little motors apart, dude. Look at, straight up the motor, dude.
What is this, aluminum?
That is aluminum. This is, I think, yeah, this is aluminum. Yeah, 2 fan motors. $1, $2. Here, let me, hold on. Let me drop that down. Can it fit in there?
This it can.
Yeah, we'll stick it in there. Or, you know what's nice about aluminum? Bends. Alright.
Yeah, I saw some more coffee.
There's more right here. Look at these pieces.
Oh, really? There's a piece of coffee on there.
Just snip it off. See, if I had a truck, I'd take that whole thing. Because there could be a box inside. Santa's Samsung, so it probably is okay. HDMI. Hey, let me show you something. Come here. On these ones, when they look like that, you can just pull them.
Oh.
Some books. Oh, look at all the cars, man. You want those? Here,
I like the semi.
take them. Brand new in the packages. All right, let's go. Huh?
That big.
Huh. Let me know what you see. Microwave.
Really? Where?
My side.
Let's do that.
Just the cord. Go ahead. You get it or no? You need the big ones, huh? Here. These are the big cords.
No.
Alright. And we're into the cord today. Just right here. Just this one. Right here, bud.
There's a rusty thing in there.
Right here. Come grab this.
What's the other cord?
Yeah, it's not much. See, if I had a truck, I'd take that, but no truck. Alright, let's go. Here, I'll pop the trunk. So we're hitting up bulk day. Let's see, pickup on the day that they were allowed to put it out. So we know we're beating all the other scrappers out. So that's a good thing. And we'll just keep on going, see what we find.
but I don't know what it is.
Yeah. Nothing. Skis. We'll come back up that road.
I didn't see that one back there.
Yeah, we're gonna bust these off and leave those. Oh, that's horrible. Cheat, man. Grab my drill, I guess. Those aren't breaking.